Hello, agus fáilte hiig na Seansálaithe, mas maiid seansa ghlaciad na Seansálaithe is mise hiú me go le cheara agus tá sé bheith smuitiú leh hain hiú. Cén fa na bhfuanon eáilta gálanta, unshaven, spotty, sean haircut, spéclaí darcha, gruama, caia, salach. Cén fa? Agus an fa ná. Gomid is seamarla chéile don cheadú le fecin ages nas cin am journal bhí probably EP sin probably tam journal in dhéanamh shows seamarla chéile le chéile. Tá muid seo is Stiúideo nó Raidió Rira I Fumbalí sa Bhumbalí sa seanna bhí me se I gobar, which is very spooky in is rís tá feicáil mohuid na sean baristas a bhí mag flirtá lán ar bhí mai gobar hartan seo, which is slightly there, but sure listen, pe gar go leor. Tá an seo leaids tá seo le muid cólaachí le muid cardide ar dúspáir tá seo le aine bhuiir aine go Jimbar tú.
Einta mai, se deas bhain seo sna Liberties.
Sna Liberties.
Is Stiúideo galanta uair Radio Rira, einta fancy an seo. Mu just í in áit answanky le plandaí agus hot desks agus coffee mornings agus I don't know colmuid in isis ní muid I glob conir níos mó ní muid a bhhargan of conir na gailge níos mó teacht a níos sa tíal sílam agus lá galanta an seo má le lia.
Line Notions.
Line
Notions. Is caiith lá tá Line Notions man seo fásta le James ó Flahart James Jimbar tú.
Yeah, go má. You know, tá bara clia bra Greenver. I think a low one bostí bhí am so far bhí ma age bogus ús jo, so sin iontach má. So Mish brasáasta agus na Notions na coffee mornings agus na flat whites is chuid, that's my buzz. Is mish an duine is basic tá na casa le riamh mo héal. Ach, tá má ggéir formach cechaí mínta ná flirte le baristas?
Just aberrin tú lá ahan am dagin thing is was turn to I'll have what she's having, like an tamar fad. Ní urbagur dobar seo. I've never once said
so tugann tú amach as an café le sé cúpán cafe.
More espressos, it's buzz out.
Agus tá just a crowd tamar. Sorry, a walk to gur Sabrina Carpenter a caharagin le Janie. I think she in like Michigan or Michigan agus geek she le high coffee thing again or in threads like vi thing again is like neuro like and change back or whatever agus third singer cool saku. Oh yeah, you mission that agus Sabrina Carpenter vi on agus another one of your one app the smooch le ra was that's that me espresso.
Is Chicago bhíán.
Is Chicago.
Mis on TikTok céanna, yeah. So mis Chicago agus yeah, Sabrina Carpenter sin like lag on TikTok feel out. It's just
just tuna.
Yeah.
Ach nach sin tú gur sort PR stunt bhín sin gur ina siad do gan éigen ó ligurt go Sabrina ní coffee cheannatid agus.
I doubt das an PR watha feel out. Like rud chobeg sin. Oh, I don't know.
Cobug sin, tá tos né gal an bailach lig hallarn tú seo den Atlantic.
An lad
Viral?
And thing a random shot of Eva. But no, and rather
be the concerts are far like already sold out.
Yeah, true. And rather be on faster is that like I think like
$1 bill she did, man.
Not even just that girl like in EA and here in the like separate like or Countess Sabrina Carpenter Sicky Haynes, she's like sometimes people don't even say hello, they say that's that me espresso. And that was like, oh my god, she's Irish too. Absolutely Irish.
Yeah, mar dúte do an ó an Juno sin cai sin imacht with TikTok because there's a crow vibe in the cream.
Gun to your head, James, in fair lad ein piece in the Oran Chanu Shachas and piece of Ner Yarnchi. Have you ever tried this one? I don't think I will.
No, Nissan will. Thousand go ma, I think.
I knew it. I knew she'd have flagged a chat so the Roden Tamer fad. I absolutely knew it.
That's exactly version kit the cans for you. So Tosha, it's just good version agus need like ní ein piece eile go nóran, man, ní hook an ein piece eile go nóran.
So ní hen ceola hook an rashu ag Sabrina an chatan.
No, Smalum ceol. Smalum, is Sabrina Carpenter actually on album Rivisha lum.
Oh!
Smalum couple on there sin.
OG fan.
Is it Fast Times on Origin? We should like Rivet. I thought she shouldn't really come on. So we're like, geez, you should actually really come on. And then she blew up. It's obviously we should have here gymnast that she knows. So like, you know, they go hand in hand. Like,
imagine live fact checking art and ish. Geez, that's a real throwback. Yeah, no,
Fast Times. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. Or an album emails I can't find. Yeah, you're listening. Not a fake fan.
No.
James O'Flaherty, certified carpenter from day one.
Certified lover boy.
And sin an rudig later in the fans, carpenters.
Yeah. Well, James anyway, because he gives her wood. Anyway, what he calls...
Bhí tíle cin freisin wachtú is dúte I'm not Jesus' dad, but I'm a carpenter about it.
Oh, gas.
That's very good now. Tá sin nínta mai.
Dú ná mai.
I thought it was hilarious. Being Ireland about God for, you know.
I can't wait for James O'Flaherty and his Sabrina Carpenter merch era.
Hopefully knock joking sin does like James a Gairy.
Oh, yeah.
How could I just brand worms like my God? Me chuirn rutakín you know, because either that like bhach má gáí agus a chorálas ag an nám céanna because bhach má cho flustered bhach má like stop a brandware please.
I won't repeat in rudí víta sa realm sa uhain bhí áing ruí at the end leile agus dúirta sa malór an dinge seálum can you be on standby with a towel because be mis just a chorálas a tamar fád do
an shut the naked golána gunner.
No it was a crunny of sorts goáing dhéanamh. He remembers. All right. Well,
confidential.
Entry was in the end pod.
Okay. Yeah. Fine.
And if I go in shop is go the actual topic going there now. It's just layman with your Zoom agus just being with your rant off. We could be road at curse showering and chatting shin na g'day a cap much of grammar, but actually. And chatting se hugging be much will be Michigan definitely James Badger egg Oireachtas na Samhna and chatting se hugging crazy go an Thompson than blian already
tan blian le gimme but I'm so excited it's come along
yeah you're just like must say rudé and Shaw must rudé Sean with the gCill gcomhairle then is few absolutely Cibé dámat tusa ag dólaí an Oireachtas inis.
Oh, my híle lig. Sílam gur hosí mé hartar trí nó cethir.
Liar.
Tam ní magu. Scuimlam ma héins mé ahar lair an carpa tús san óstan an dóir ag arc daoine a déna corní riada as bhí se cóbeg ag an nám. Níor a coppla duine gur stachar an gomórtas agus scrúblam as muitiú jís tain na hóran seo raibh chunne tamlín tá fada na dé. Agus tá siad go brona as grúma agus tá handan na canú faoi I téanana wahú agus faoi star ínta brona na tíire seo ach sin na hóran is fearr.
The bangers.
But yeah, sína mó trí na cethir agus an sin I suppose is Oireachtas go thomlan difriú le nar haon tú mar dhéagóras mar gona fásta nuair tá tú 8 agus dosín tú dul leis an gom an gaile. Tá sin ínta difriú lón taithí bhí nógad mar fáiste dul ach tan dá taithí just do chuirte. So dúirthain breis is cuaigúir déagnas go mai négol ag an Oireachtas, yeah. OG is ceart, yeah, is right.
A1 since day one.
Yeah.
Maireachtála. Agus nuair tan is differ allhar nuair tan airgad agad le bheith ag fannacht sa Glen Eagle. And questionably better, I don't even think it will in Argyle English in the parts of Glen Eagle. But sure, look, James Kiko added to the Gulligan Orthas.
Chéimhlinn bháin a bhí mar 7 so
Just like what tree quick blaon Jagohan, shape blaon Jagohan.
Éimhlinn Jagohan. Not too far off. Yeah, éimhlinn Jagohan. Yeah, it's no chomh síos a dús se class. You're Anna de Dory he's on. We turn on for away the murder is on which class yeah on false even sakied way we my shaft to I think being here we machine on could be here in we just a Glen Eagle.
Oh yes.
So
oh wow okay
Russia fights a commotion here no down the bin we just a Glen Eagle agus chin yeah just taken off oh chuin agus tá imi on chull of day shachs blin one hipping oh chuin so hard to digging Tintam Imréalna TBC ach yeah been sé nólaigh na Gaeltacht
yeah
like
Kevin
is tá dachar tá like was that agus ceapin basic man se beganín way ich a hauna go sutí mé bín tú like brandú ich a hauna nus ich hauna Jardine agus an tenachtas sa héine bín tú like ní sam go maach ich hauna me so to get away na ágáil úr
yeah
like machas carcha 8 uur like dat go de is sitze u bob le carcha acu so to get away ágáil úr agus réití le deirseachtaine which is dullig wa but yeah carraina
it's marathon like céif an géad like bhaintse ar nós go like kind of the long term endurance test agus tú hísan sin And also just so groundwork to read like, oh yeah, like no, you know, nerd ta acting your thing, he's, you know, higgling fella hula murder and that will act the thing be and so abundantly alike. I mean, this not mean this a genuine Oireacht to cause a bit of different.
That's an buganín óisian an corrections an ichi agus rudaí.
Ó cinse chuint as a buganín ar fáil. Iar hin get a bug ní sóna buganín is higlinn throwback a caiithú higan ag coffee cup radiú na gailta bhblion ó hin agus cibé contents a bhí sa chopan agat ní coffee bhíon, but iar hin gur ní smóna buganín different bhí ag an láis.
It was a double shot espresso.
That's on me espresso, baby.
That was that you espresso. Could you fuck with you the restart? It was a
Irish coffee, na be?
Yeah, but the animundo, it was like a double shot espresso with a
gone espresso or be.
Yeah, no, be like bit ginch the thing yellow. You're like, no, ní hé seo Irish coffee, no, ní hé seo like whiskey and coke or whatever. You were like,
just straight up, just ishke behavian, na be?
No, we ginger overs and Jamie and ginger's young.
Okay.
Yeah.
Double shot espresso with ginger syrup. No, I'm sure it's
a ginger macchiato.
Shit. But yeah, tá sé gáilna seo bhí má 8 9 so what we had been there in Oscar
agus Gemini and Kwai.
All right, shut up, as if nach with your fad Harva. I mean, much gefáil gáil an artas nó much trash na ceist.
Yeah.
Sé
nach níos grúpa. Sin rud is fair.
This is so true.
So true,
Áirne shadow.
Yeah.
Was that Áirne an chraig? Mé all gotí tá tú Chomh is tú like ógus nach chuil éon dúchlan de híal like ní cuairmíir like páistí siúdí agus ní tú ní an imíir faoi tá eile. Tá was an bheith duine nuirí tá dhéanana an faoi láthach. Tinú tá páistí siúdí I think Áirne began to the Gerbeidir síl mo gaige tispons op sin. Tá mis go an ó bhí me céirt seachtaigh níacham sé géan imimecht.
What?
She more in Gearna, yeah.
Rio?
No, yeah. A shahas na can even more parched.
Well, it could have even gone on a couple.
That's what I mean, like it's in.
Yeah, really had an eon really ag nimachtaí like after.
Well, BEO bham léna, mar tá sé a chuirteach chomórtas agus tá mo chuide tá mo passaí eolarm.
The hype crew.
Tá hype crew eolarm ag cara chun héinge ag Maidin Haharn.
Carol
Journal.
Maidin?
Yeah.
Journal.
Thomas get bheiste get am tar bob sin víns mas Muon sa chun mar I bob chud a saharing.
Not T-sé, I'm thinking is
mar. Sinnig Tá má hópa go mé man sin in deir seachtain sin.
But the kinda bhín se bhán a hanna le blian.
Yeah, chola blian BEO.
Be me se Susanna and it's not be me se Carol Nehig.
Thanks a lot.
Tasha, look, that is a rite of passage. Mother do fun at Steve the Glad Eagle. Can to sweat out the sins.
Well, my winning, you ma kun ma could winnings around live.
You know what winnings around them. A real hard. That was never on the cards. You wrote in real hun tarlu. Come at this a hundo get a quick €8 booking and then be like, agus Seanish, piece of the Hugh, piece of the James, piece of the Pauline. Like no nation hun tarlu.
Nus go more chance of being winner to club de bhféile go of during ihe hina and ihe is smó cumai.
Yeah.
So BEO sa mahin winche mahas an equation ag hartar héna chlog Maidin just aharn.
No.
Agus go lí agus nílas go sin go dar.
Tá scialtaí clostegum sa dá daoine ag pártí á rít na híe agus ag dul jíra héig an comórtas agus é a buchans.
Conní me seo an airí. Tá duine bháin arintena gom a bhí. Ina sílan go dtí a sé ar Maidin. Chuoi si líf chunne urglé.
Yep.
Dúirí si as when she comórtas. Ní me cén comórtas mar sin basic an de géint mu a gaiint faoi.
Yes.
Ach sin go sin dochreite.
So an rud mis rad is then surely bet this an rud Killarney anu because this
well sí ní me se comái sin ag an sort an chohamíocht a einstú.
Mas é sin chohamíocht I would
Choramíocht an Oireachtas.
True. Tá sé just though like just ní stopping shot like ní bhí like mohim sa go like terminal like FOMO arm an tamar fad a searsúil like níl tú gairí an bar a eáil a chuiche mar neall so good. Cé go tú I caiithú an tamar fad le ahanning in sin. It's not like man acimiad ní sin na ní acimiad like you know a Harvey like feicid tú iad an mágin dar gin ag an breakfast leis a fry. Just hanging by a thread and shin, but for some reason like to do like no kaima and mages mo amach leis na gael agus is féidir.
Le harta trí blian is ceapin go an Oireachtas céanna just like an éanagus an sáir bu nach chuirta seacham mar chéile. Like tosam off le mochas goilta sister bear and then racham is feikim shipshin sanaiche and then on saharing just going och muinte chun mar look shots pop sin be my lemos goiltas chored a goal fan law just can't shafoot it's like nach akmo here it can reunion bugavins on he's train agus chin just goes a wachadish nation like in fairness the Canadian Eva chu siimplí an sin an ach sin an de chraig is fearr like
Giving gate.
Tá sé dáchreite ceach más víds just rudí chu siimplí sin sí bob leis méid an goil agus I méid chraig timpplair tá sé dáchreite má.
Mohí méallar nachfuil me fanna san óstan mléana go mé fómó ar mna rihiime das an óstan ag héide an chlog a an lá. Like sílam goirí me chóta agus me Constantine lom as goága mé like húsad do heomar hiú é onas nach gadú fágal éis an lálig mar tá difriocht nar nachúil tú tí san óstan as nach tú tí mólach ar a chéile mar sin.
Do you know what? Curry my cash ar an pod arhhaile go chuing sa da anim síos mo cheamraig le sa dóig go méid tú ná an breakfast the fásta it's not just an it's ní óhain just an because it's
Níor fi smuoine me ar an breakfast a bhí me sé dtíar búthe faoi nachhain na a residence bar in club na féile agus dólógar mágin.
Tá mar Harvard cinse go bhfuil an bed and breakfast bucátegam so má the anim híos mar what do you got? Yeah, B&B. So
Well, was good go dé any me ditse.
Jay.
Ag glad chatá ag an Airbnb an junior a an lá.
Deal.
Na bhí mis go ra cá hiú is go agus í an
And Comórtas
agus cá aine na winnings
a wrench lumpsy, yeah,
No,
absolutely.
cai me sé dul ag an a bhfuil tú déanú rud sin éis sem léana leis na Micklein an sort Cé bhín hola MC?
Yeah, so it's club na féile na bé is that or it's ihe na Micklein anyway.
Ihe na Micklein.
Bín ihe na Micklein siúil a hanine so mas Maclein hu go seád cheadú dolí Oireachtas mór ar dús buire agus Gluchte agus an darna rud ná an rud atarlíonn is gomín ihe mór acu is tí in seamra sa ag an Oireachtas gomín crack ceol being ceoled in sky actually didn't do like didn't do K tag of action Emiliana and I don't think we'll Nelson will cadogum a wrench agus the but I should da ratchet mine so ni féad a chaú má tú ag dul se higan Oireachtas but yeah be more MC than ihe so
cai me sé freistal sin is mar
well it's kind of big late suas fasta obviously
sin bud bín feiste sí a hánan an chéidir gromistí gní sin bhí ní cap a casú so sin an sortí go jigla daoine bheitsú leis
crazy like
yeah gur hosí siad am an sin is tí sa ball heomar sa Gleneagle
Tá hiúd in na gailthirí version.
Tá me yeah absolutely yeah
So-
and ihe just arm so
bín se gcóí pácailte há sa brehin
fucking don't thing you do in Nari Cave dingy beyond and it was like 8k dingy is Lisa Brahan
sin cean na himachtaí is mó a feici gom ag an Oireachtas like obviously tá step is garní réide an warb mé algamín si dtí na NEC ach seachas sin dhearhin gur gail garí an Maireachtála is mó a feici gom
Nima Shahara I think you're short to go Gary Vessis and INEC I'm just saying
cos le live at the palo achta na gail
Belchin class
yeah
which a class do so I would vent like a clean urine station but Belchin Debbie though more emacht I guess like just earring to these like Niveen Nilgilor Kaira is these Brahan the Ahan Levian Pinar who like Kaira a good in Glen Eagle because could be actually
Dini Shasa Tíomh.
Shasur Tive, being Camry, being and Cracker like being absolutely gas. So yeah, no.
Oireachtas na saona má tá si bhgéisteat
Yeah.
sibh se mar ulra nis caihí sibh gail garí a chur an státe live at the Oireachtas
Live at the Oireachtas.
the INEC
Fihi car.
gail gairí ar státe BEO tá tuair do gooine an rud atá eolarthú
Absolutely. So to clean you out like I in fairness to line up that right on it's well to my hand on obviously. So bei Ashin Mistel on V on the Nary, Justin Cass on Fasta bhí an éir fásta Louise ní édan absolútely cafa ón P America obviously Siomh na céingise atá absolútely gas agus Seantálaithe O'Malley beo as Coldplay go Glen Eagle. It's really it's an actually mean the realty or fad.
Going from strength to strength.
Exactly, yeah. Listen, Chris Martin, so just, go through Jenny the gig bug Park of Roki. But in yarn through Rio, Gail Gary, Sabrahan, Ní Chiapam A. I don't think so. So no, but not ton mage and stuff I got array. But yes, it's fair lots of and you fair lots of turtlums at Lahain breakfast or gach margin at the Majuas. Bestie.
Well, Tom, I come to Wallion train and Jardine. So
thanks, Mum.
You know what? You scratch my back, I'll scratch yours.
Shinnon Road though, like I can do the Oireachtas like now walking through the ages and let the name as being like agus Kurt Otis Yanunish agus Kendoi or Fred Lat Koju lumps. Not well. Am I just crazy? Like, but I feel like they're willing to like each sugunya agus ig punch a womajinya genua. It's like nothing you fast and it's like agus nush instunush jetta monogut if you want her shemata to follow.
Yes, gaharha nor bring to snaman. She long mean diniguri the chud skillina at a full me ogat the ilama agus bidger the chud availability Eilema agus má tatú fostithe nó má tatú de cerebri fáint ina ceisna sin ahan bblion.
So what is fear na LinkedIn?
Yeah.
A what is fear na LinkedIn?
Tána gradam conversation níos fearr na atrbíile fa chunne teagháilethe crothú.
Ní bhain tún shift ag networking event. But again, Oireachtas.
Oireachtas is not a paid again.
It's never not
post August and shift on. It's in a one.
It's never not off the cards. It's never a zero sum.
Instam céin olbhúchán í an sibse den Oireachtas, mar tá a gin mar dúirt níos is mar tan ní rasa tapaí atá an agus bíonn sé ionta dulí ar an gcorp in é coppla lá. So bíonn suirt olbhúchán í ol sílam hain an teachtain nó an caiici se bhré bhfuil éon suirt rituals nó a tradiisiún agus tain hiú in tú ahan blion.
Michigan, I'd say James Jones is not kind of shave everything. Ahan the road.
Agus ní
top to tail. No, absolutely, I wouldn't say so. But Misha top to tail. Ahan crevice.
Everything shower an mort really.
Cahi everything shower veg. Ahan dana she.
Oh yes. Cahi shower aku ahan la. It's just constant like. Oh my god. No, in a rear. Because. Let's not pretend like Misha, I'm not the hairiest man alive. Don Oireachtas, another guy to Yanu is Cahi to. Just to be reg on a call, you have to like prep yourself to be like, sleep deprivation. Like I don't think a Rahman caller and Caddy just to prepare myself on trainer and Jardine. So go woman clap to lesson and buzz shin agus me golis cha like because just ní stopping shot and tamer font agus just train Ada avail good because betu ig rehart. Like a chance major go mé art running at the tafod because it's suddenly to have a sweaty it's kai to aru yanu kai to ve all we had done eating the mock because it's like the harva it's on or no like ball car where it's like that like day I've dug to I've dug the league kai to the swimming trunks velat obviously done pool agus done sauna agus heg lat ve gCill the random lads on like was it unfolding an area was that literally a hundred blian beach
more here in the Europe and that either it's just a hot tub thing
which are great which are not new except you naked probably shouldn't five of you on but shouldn't know see in Rutherton is not even a goal so Neil really ní caihima like na canna your father cheanna na ní caihima like an deireadh like to hortlam na ní caihima and le ogla go mé má chin san like níl aon rud mar sin nugam like so I think ó mó olbhain an derfriil ó daoine eile agus a gur carta James not go mean this a Harvah alting in Oireachtas I would never cast that sort of aspersion arts
I don't think you're on there I think you're on base of command there
Ní an Nuri Badger.
No, Blian Revision definitely.
Blian Revision though, definitely.
Yeah, they're on a hot streak, yeah.
Yeah, but a hawan shin though, okay, chin stuff in mean to yanu lahai all hand on Oireachtas. Ain't really just show up.
No, it's just show up.
What? No, higlum sa ra nakul shin fear, mar kinche tasagom go mé to sa file garu guriga.
Oh yeah.
an lásal a Jane tú.
I don't think you've been overcome specifically gan Oireachtas though.
Yeah, dentas sin fachanne a han imacht.
For sure haircut on Paffett show because you imagine fewer camera.
Tá bhfuil fád fi lá gompa tá má far bar chuige an ine cheapam.
Ar níine?
Yeah.
Oh my
ine se tíocht. Mé tá chuthe mór am mar a dúnach so má brand
Funky fresh.
decent.
Like sports file.
Yeah, well, I don't my sports file is chuthe críomh na gáileh social.
Béle fecail, you never know.
Sad ach ní ceapan é. Ach yeah, tásúlam nach mé idir is mé. Ní mar gearháin. Point blank.
Tá cóhex an dó, it's Maireachtála an cléisisin bhí match bhí seachtaine fearr.
Agus tá wallet like irádum no bevárlum gan bheith an so
Tá wallet is really
yeah.
It's not looking good.
Guardian le fásta Gleneagle agus muds is siomraí Shanghai agus rudí bucáte is dí so tí mursú le gan bháin tá mo chrééis má anam is na chluí teach níos sam so tá má gur it an rota is gan bheith san béh bug an fómó annach bearm ichití sé le choran.
If you will arrive, bet tú a rag ó FOMO art, but bet tú raw, gríthe, all champagne, amachas, sean chorn.
Má hain chorú de gert be ma brás na kingi like yeah so sin ach go hinú like no just like after bear grúti be the brand gas be plan out ad lei say head outfit nerk is like lá ine ich ine lá sai ich sai chin shorts t-shirt am achwalchen da doen agus away you go shorts ad chin in pool agus sauna to get yourself going it's just got to go so was that so headspace cards go to just go that you got to sit a sheets if simple séúach le.
But this is an uncharted lumsa higgin an lins now fasta anim at this he's an anim shaw, you know, so huckle that mishigus this is this sauna bedger na this a hot tub.
See Jeremy Goni shaw han lean like Dan me an uri as lean revision and sílam go sé inta mar smuoinú ach nar hagan sé higanam barlum uach like breise chaihu macholu na go she's as well corralish she's a sauna.
To actually mohin really jazz though.
No, you sweat out the dirty diesel.
Yeah.
So that's all. No, she landed the froze of you faoin chomh no faoin carlach at a garro. Like what the money heroics that train on and imagine they're getting you got to sweat out the dirty diesel. Dirty diesel.
Jesus
no,
Christ.
ní bhíonn sin mar chud de mór routine a chorbe.
No. Cared I mean is because I'd say go do Hudge Olwahan is slightly níos different na my Hennig is James, which is what show up, wreck shit, leave.
Show up, plaid outfits, wreck shit, sauna, leave.
Cain sauna bheith sin. No, tá rud amháin a dhéanam am líon agus tá díma arm nar fiú thug sib seo faoi dearú ach fáim mo gurí genta ag geart like the full works like gearú mai da 100 for me genta né as ní ruirt ceachtar go bhlum girl my gurí jazz tá sé códifriúil ó nuair na ghuac se bheith bhád ní scíre.
I will say Hugman liked on TikTok or Majin.
So yeah. And hair transition, yeah.
And hair transition.
So,
so listen, so that was that's in Doy's fair. Shit.
Oh, my God.
There we go.
How you get the fucking brownie points in this.
But yeah, generation because then you got to do a búr faoi an deirseach le tascin gonarc sé go mai no matter what.
Yeah, fair.
Gasgur tú nach nóhín tú a ceir fish, olbhím se 8 fish.
Jesus.
Mar rihan léidir cédín, ihe cédín. Rihan léidir dín, ihe dín. Ine saharn agus is mailam sa gléistí. Gléista sús go háir den na gradan commerceide. Síam go mí nach duna.
Oh yeah.
Tá sé cos le fashion show hí san sin. So caiite bheith ré. San uair cos le mar dúirann siad the mean girls the one time a year. You can dress like total slut. No one can tell you anyway. Otherwise,
be much suited to get booted. Be much suited to get booted at the time. Be much genius to grab them.
Yeah.
So
tagging the stripper boots ma, tagging the skirt the yara ma. Mar why not? Mon will to go you in at comfort because in Gleneagle near Goddard ach shul yeah vader. Shouldn't tamlish and sally are the kahu.
Ach first in the areas Michigan novim here outfit. Maar dan ga ik maar Bob niet kunnen naar zo. Toen dan ook bekende
Shin and Rod.
Shin nu alleen niet je version maar altijd doe just een mo. Like dan maar Gary van maken daar een compoption. Maar in no wie mis je eindig gar le just
a fan shin.
Reedies, yeah.
Ja, maar wie de graag onreal wie 100 BEO se Bob. Wie nog heel aan.
Ja.
like basically mini Connemara bhíán, 100 bills Connemara seán. And then walk to sheer a hole, agus bhí sé duna pizzas, like fresh pizzas, like was on the iron cart, like on wood-fired pizzas for these back. So you hold it on, so you're like, oh, ik ga maar go to Jack taxi, like go hold me spoor, like was the Bob Ella. But like obviously touch like can't go to rash, but like the zacker emocht as not me to ho ma.
As Shinrad, look, Gleneagle, I love you, but Tambia kayak. Like Tasha co Hulk, agus an tain rawa when you take away now like 4-star as Apache. Shin rawa the
agus an random cafe Ostley and random takeaway Ostley in this thesis.
Of course, curry cheese chip ag door imagine.
Oh.
Yeah. Ach dod the yinner ní vín rud a bí ar fáil as tá sé inta dír it's like fihir gur salad nor they go mar sin so galore dini just ní íon sheet.
Yeah, liquid lunch, liquid breakfast, lunch and dinner, baby.
It's fine to fry and it's in fry is mo
yeah, the law
yeah.
Just got to Áirne ag am ceart chun go mé brunch more mental at.
Yeah, yeah.
Agus sin to na just cunnealir.
Just tarshís ag jeru there touch the create news and breakfast ag like a chat on here whatever.
Toss it up into Guinness agus sin to do far because carbs and stuff.
The wall booked. Can't get Jamie the right the wall looks than der shackna sin. Sure.
Probably because the Michigan's be a spicy probably you're just fermenting and tamer fun.
Like you need more on beer down so you more on really that the
Tá a gon go mai láts a coffee le the breakfast like mai agus more ifacha like plata umland ifacha fruchta ifacha scruffa
and protein
poached idelig so coffee ifacha isn't in Guinness.
It's just show up show out you know. Just
shit out.
All caffeine and then you know then have a good time.
Visha just so grammar because it would just be tisig seeing like plata line ivaha just go home
like she not journey go
in fairness then
honestly I don't think we're even tatted at das so be a lot.
Yeah well we wish put salts and fry but for mission fry and then for my like a mage and like pastries because I had fast the little cinnamon the little pano raisins and I think we punch away thinking like well to crunch in her fad the and I was like hell yeah brother and Urker Shaw.
No, to not be a serial Ashgar, again, this toy.
Oh, yeah, 100%.
Yeah, Mar Neil to con argad a hawal balak be. Shin Rodella na tagan and costas dun loshina sha, couple of la of Oireachtas. So Shin sir bindini burha shilum.
Yeah.
No reckon she chin Tamisha Martin Filaher for me and slam the costas umlan than Airbnb. Nesh fai mikiach Jiraxal James Shees ag shim go sawali shin me ak. Kai de velva than mage go to go like you.
The Michigan fan art I think like tree na car invoice le chat is ja and ish solar James sheets agus so like Matt Tagan is ja like and le don Oireachtas like their James sheets agus arm equal high and shamra be ma like flat broke agus and shin le kujj and lineation it'll be like caviar don jingar.
Salads,
gold suit, like you know, go homeland.
Like. This is a Brehin with the big shot.
Oh yeah.
The bougie Brehin bitches.
Yeah, Iggy creme brulees.
Ten jingers of Brehin really jazz.
That's gallant.
Why my Irwine? This is so bad. Why my Irwine? Wilmas was living again. Because we should like, oh, to you got like jinger or whatever. Must my chat whatever. And I was like, yeah, absolutely. And it just. Visha basically like work outing like a killer like in Ober or Denska and you're in the re in Oireachtas agus just fi machine sin faste agus firma like Bela all war like I did not hold back agus vi sure fad eekte igen colach jaw I literally just gudge ma like the equivalent of like couple of €1 as random colach like air now
Shilm go lesa go an colach go to kind free
yeah
obviously ní hiaglah mú deáil but my né an cólach a mouthal
a wowdal but yeah so ten jingar sa brehin really jazz agus a wad níos fearn that is here an ash go fasta so num so mauling go more but yeah agus an freebies are fad fasta just been to tagging to the walla la fucking tote bags. Yep.
Agus síonn se is show mar sparalte den chéad blion omlan eile. Sílam go se 100 fós a tote bag.
Oh yeah,
definitely. Postery nach nu study Rio sticker nach armin le rudder bay.
The pop sockets I mean are cool phones.
Chargers on udras.
Yep.
Geez been 100 fannin sheets a tote bag sin go Jean chéad blion eile.
Yeah, just being arms around it, you like just not produce because it's wasted on me. Like, in case I get
But tá sé sir glachan tú é.
Sean vibe, Sean in hype. I can't say no to branded merch. Ahanilla am like. Fáin go bheici tú inis bé stuff híos like Nicole at your fad a bhí muing a gopur lá an
What was the tattoos or?
Mulch-scale tattoos, yeah.
The tattoo sin bhí sin cin na rudaí is gramhar I think gur Harla dún real and then just Gary venue that the initiation wasn't vibe and then
Gan cohex bhí daoine in aní deáil ar láhas which like what the absolute hell.
Like that towel weepshit, you just 3 more hue at the roll. We can absolutely massive.
James bhí tusa ar mo lá agus bhí tugad hairline difriúil dit sa Victor. So there's Wayne Rooney ar mo lá.
Rig me se glád for shit.
This is just fucking huge, Emma.
Yeah.
More scrap, bro.
A lie sheer ar lá, James.
Like paint me like one of your French girls, like really Vision gas, and then a Gary Avinu that the initiation because Gary can't thing in chat and you're like, hey, did you ever that too? Because there's like if I will anywhere or the boss and you're like, well
I just love her.
I just think she's great. I just think she class. Well, like a multi like you have really good guy to Oireachtas Oireachtas and kind of you go like Jake Kahi to the Gin Kinchik will Amr good.
Residence Bar,
yeah.
Club na bhféile as leanar tíigh an Residence Bar. Manhfuil tú fan sa Glen Eagle fág Club na bhféile lua ons go dtí le sleanú sta ar na bouncers.
Yep.
Sin gur Jean is just ahar an gomín siad is seaasú de bhealach. You're shall not pass.
Trying to stop your family a good time.
Yeah, been even strict for the daine to fácht staan.
Yeah.
Been enlisted sin acu, been enlisted in Áirne her fad, and they're like, Célatsa, Céhas.
Mata tú réint siomra den cíns agus béidir go cuairteoir acu. Tá na bouncers go luáil is cuma canás gás tú ála. Nó chuirme se go raibh tolog an ara, cos you might get rid of my car ma leis an duine bhí má fannach le. Ní ma céim má fannach le.
Yeah, there's like anything you came to find.
Ní like aon céim má fannach le an ara inis.
No, Kevin
Má get rid of my car ma. See, ma just a tolog. Agus bhí má bháilech le bhí má tolog nach acu nach ra nach le aontainna. Bhí sé cinná tíime gon siomra.
Yeah.
Agus sin tháinig bouncers so obviously chonig sé cameraman ar d as bhí sé like bhfuil is a fánach san óstan seo agus sin haim amach cartas is tá má literally fásta siomra hí sin dúirt siad bhfuil te cinna dacrú cheir sin mé tú friggin couch in seo agus tá siomra hí sin si I know just bhí má tuirseach si ar scair Gichi hogeal seo. And then hiúil se magazine doras.
Yeah.
Agus bhí má siúil backwards like má láir leis so chun gimach se. Cíál chun doras green a sin agus sin fós ní se. Ní se agus dingach mar seach siomra. But yeah, so má tre sin táú just for hiding spot níos fear. Ní san cinát ná ach mé tá an big road in your rin siomra hí san.
Bé, yeah.
Just clock the hide and seek sol Jane to shees go Jean Glen Eagle.
Yeah, nu chuir le omchlár.
Just like check in, check out, like
Rota.
Well, like,
listen,
look,
my guy shot the shot guy today. Yeah,
the window of opportunity ag na daoine tá sa siomra le chéile. So more bhfuil tú ná de fucking more tú ná aon na Thompson fog ivid agus bit ná bod suicide duine chéad rada.
Yeah.
You said cá tú bheith féra to le chun na heart. So
I will say probably the eile sin bhaidal is gan bheith cheapskate agus gan bheith
Yeah.
Labby.
Where's your cheapskate? Siomra bháin sa Glen Eagle now.
Oh, I know, but
You know, cheapin go rimsa íoc le scavóg cheapin go bin on a form of payment atá an muinte sa Killarney ar a whim.
a sílam, yeah. But it's an labby when a Venus these charmer. I don't know okay if you find a so I knew but what I assume is Garosha labby when you vis the ancient agus
Yeah, it's lab one on.
yeah.
But didn't he Reinsta friggin' trauma.
Oh, yeah. Well, bhíon dinge sin gin dú gur dam si siad couple rudí ar ar lá.
Tá mu déir wad níos neamhs blahan im lína le losin so gin. I mean, chuime John Cade bhín ar roint family room lena chéile.
Yeah.
Go dtí nuirí bhí muid showmarí a bhí ddíorchan lena chéile. Agus James agus Take it a bhí sa seomra leis.
Yeah, we'll never say.
Agus am líana níl muid le gnach lena chéile. Ní muid fiús an organúh céine.
Ní muid even fuse a contact here in the car.
It's called growth.
it's called financial growth.
Hopefully ní bhéh a gunda cean an túra.
Yes. Le chuidir débit is go fáil is in gáileh agus be me sin an dó seamra a ghuiid acid mas ru é go se because the labby mór bhhain agus I think bucate a glen
I think go balcony room
agus sí a balcony double agus the balcony twin agamsa agus bearlam sin labby mór bhhain den I géirí
the chain
Cifá go das in lab mór bhhainwas nach chuil rá single lad creamú a bheith lab le duine eile
No ní bhíon ach bíon me sin na cháú le burt eile a hanna leiche right bín burt eile tí me leabí sa anna leiche Mr. Tato agus Kirby so agus listen bín siad san ghlachan siad san a lein spues sa leabí so caiimiid a bheith cinse gohfuil agus fast de géir beidir go mai géir má laptop a chuir dear an leabígus bheith gurchar mo chuid fíisinaí ar máidín do you know?
Okay, dochas fíisina in fíisina bhíon dhéanana nic ribh?
No
Le duine ag bra?
Is thing a Harvard spicy mate no
camcorder style
Tá hon with VHS a lot she's
Tell me lies
tell me sweet little lies Wow only girls Kale's a wine
Oireachtas fans
Oh my god we are fans of an Oireachtas shouldn't the country no just listen be barlam it's lad more me do you know spoil sa bheith and call a labby more lom hen do you know spoil a hanning I think Anya beat this a general Killarney you're like don't associate me
Níor buintear bí agam sa le seán ná taring seán seo mé
well Killarney chachis actually
no
prick
I know Freakwela is
dump him listen nífiú
Ag lots of words bheith go leis
my own text for again shop and I'll be like listen Killian it's not good enough go with your country shop listen if you want to marry my daughter no Labhraíonn
get your Freakwela gas down here
no it'll be Labhraíonn it'll be like listen but this is a guy available mo wear with mama weir
Mamo?
Mama no
jeez, I was like come on
you're hearing mamo
you might cush engine
no and agus níl impáist jogumsa that we know agus listen rud a tarling Killarney fan an Killarney well imní arbh se fásta cos so an blian shugging tá se go le bheith imil farste agus tá sais like imní arm go mé with your fad scarhan I heile like nach mé with your fad go mé astal ní defriúil agus mí bar ní defriúil ní bhéh se ar nós an cracks resins barnar tá anna le duine ar buir heile.
Ja chula méid bhfuil sé an scapi mnahan bblion trethógan mar go mé leatas Europa as las waterfront agus gohfuil an Europa bucáilte hena hin.
Wow.
So glacham leis go mé mór daoine in Airbnbs agsúla ar fud na carach.
Damn.
Yeah, so ní bhéon sort ní bhéon pobl céine sa residence bar stoilm ag go tríolog go cearchlog margin.
I hope go mé cumnig go an Airbnb dan muid an like 3 blian hain má farste Vision class.
Oh, Vision class.
Vision class.
Yeah. Oh.
faoi Bell first na
dingy. I know, James. I know she knows the video around.
No, ní hinna ik dí go rá. Bhí mar go rá nach like tá na óstal sin I lá na carach. So be daoine just go isteach le pinte ag
na pubs agus na clubs,
pub na cáiliú le siútí sé Bell first agus go amach le lán agus le cafe agus siútí sin. So ní cheapin go mééis se cho lá nachgus tá an Gleníige, but an Gleníige Scotí amach win.
Cuní teachan na chéile.
Yeah. Sin cáú go ra an ach like má dus é club na félegus í lá sé dógus, má nightclub is rééis like just gáú tí nightclub sin ar é mé you know tá
a Madden
má Europa díaltamach like per sin dachar. Ach was a bé an go ag deagháil in gáir é Bell first fá mach cinná mé residence bears fearr agus nu mé unofficial residence bear ná igen
rádi fáilte
go an so isú leis le be difriú le te dachar an cheapú na Gleníige just cinná fufi le nachtas le chuir so
it's great spot.
Go sé dachar bol bud béle feice.
Although I know go bhfuil fua ag muir Killarney ar an airta sa bheith sa Gleníige mar cíann sin nach mín like sira acu le gáil síos whatever. Cumning dúm de cant le taitheo sé bhí se like ní bhín crackerbí dá muir dá na muoinach nuir sé hís géirí mar gilíonn se nach go sios like a sira é dúine whereas the se like ar cai siad na dorás na bháile ar cai siad san like gCill sac a bheith acu
ní sé fad a glóir hiúil dóibh beidir ra ó becheart fan san óstan tá siad fé chuig bom hiúil like okay just timání me bháile so ní si é dóibh it's like se fe man náteo an
yeah exactly
sé crack.
You heard it first anywhere Captain go Dinius Kerry should crack. Shin rud dirty agus Captain James gur foolish.
No,
Shin rud to Gary ra. I know.
But can bulla like
Tá sé go má cé méid grá am go daine an túisgéirt.
an ómarcha right.
An ómarcha grá.
Cos tú gafa lumsa sin fa.
Yeah.
Chuir gail sin go bhééis sin é gur mí maiid bh geist na seansaí mas maiile muid a lás ar na manhusta táid ar seansaí ar Instagram seansaí ar Twitter agus seansaí ar YouTube má géirí aine am sin na manhusta tá mar anywhere ar Instagram anywhere ar Twitter agus anywhere ar TikTok má géirí James am sin na manhusta tá mar flahartach ar Instagram flahartach ar Twitter agus flahartach ar TikTok agus má géirí héine amsú ar na manhusta tá mar hiúcar hir ar Instagram agus just gra hiúcar ar TikTok ná Jenny Jarmut well be hénig aine definitely he's Oireachtas agus ach mata James he's fasta aber Helolin because bhráling a bheith canlis na éisteoirí agus an cracker fáda a lastú agus an gas ar fáda a lastú listen look you never know Patrick and Jenny would confessions that ar an pod I know gnéanam a J beá chud is mód an but ag na shows beá but Patrick and Jenny would J béile feicil you never know agus má teú hís ag an Oireachtas fásta just saharn leanaíon lí sa brehan gailgarí ar siúl just saharn san INEC, Carol Ineag, and giving it absolute socks, Sycamortis. To Hennig is Connor a bit.
Yeah. Maireachtála mo just an labhraíonn.
Yeah. I'd be missing and shin just the pots and the pans.
Can you wish get back?
Yeah. I don't get no sleep because of y'all. Y'all don't get no sleep because of me. Agus, and Saharn. Ag leanaí cehar is sin tam do cluiche ag James cin tam muisar ar siú.
Seachtaine se?
Yeah.
Seachtaine se de dúna ag ceargan dóíag.
Aber páidir a handanna.
Yeah.
Last cainneal. Mar curtain raiser rih cluiche críomh in Seansálaithe so tá muide in Killarney ag ceargan dóíag cluiche críomh an chundaí sóisiir ag sin taréis muid tá mócailín in chuirfinge Clay Creed Cincher on Sunday.
Deadly.
He's a tuam.
Lovely stuff. Right. Well, shouldn't but I'm drinking on. I don't know. You much pale? You much peel? We get a little bite.
Coffee.
Tá muid go chatting up a couple of barista.
No, okay, that was Urawen, okay, right. But you saw this Jerry shot
Teach me your tricks, Hugh.
I think we know that there are no tricks. What you sult as a Jerry shot agus Paymuch Arash live Ganwell Lagran in the Shansia, Akaji Shin, Bunny Salt, agus Chifmuch of Peace, Oireachtas. So long.